Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can follow accounts on Pinterest. So for instance, you select a post on Pinterest and there is an account name. As you can see, the person's name is Malu, and then to follow, you're just going to press follow, or you're just going to select the account and press follow. And that's it. Their created pins will show up in your home feed. I think it said that, but that's basically how you can follow an account on Pinterest. To unfollow, you just click on the following button again. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!